Here on the first floor of the fire station, these rigs are waiting for the call to come out for firefighters and paramedics to respond to situations happening in our community. Upstairs is the firehouse, and in every house there's a kitchen. And in this kitchen, that's where meals are shared and bonds are made. They're saving lives, homes, and properties in Bend. Their job requires them to be fueled and well-fed with nutritious meals. What are we making today?
Yeah, we're gonna make chicken tacos. We have a tomatillo salsa, pico de gallo, guac, corn salsa, some cabbage, inside of refried beans and rice.
Who's in charge of when you guys go to the store for being like, we need 6 jalapenos, we need 3 cans of this? Like, how do you get those specific?
I just need to figure out how much stuff to get for 10 people.
10 people, all right, that's who you're measuring for each time?
Yeah, exactly.
Working as a team, in and out of the firehouse. They aim to make easy meals fueling for their work. Someone new joins the firehouse. Do you have like a test to make sure they know how to properly cut things? Or
We should start doing that.
yeah, but like, let me show you how you cut an avocado first, and then we'll see if we accept you. Yeah, all right. The crew gets to work with some chopping, some mixing, and some heading to the grill all at the same time.
In addition to being, firefighters and paramedics and responding to emergencies in the city, we're also, as you see, we're
cooking, you're cleaning.
Chefs and yeah, exactly. Cookers and cleaners and all the stuff. So we very much treat these stations like they're our own houses.
Each firehouse has a specific number of people who are staying there at any given time on any given shift. Today, they are making several pieces of their meal from scratch.
They're roasting all of our vegetables to give it, some little smoky charred flavor.
Yeah, and you guys have a gorgeous deck out here too. That's fun to be able to grill.
Yeah, absolutely.
Even in like the wintertime, I'm sure you're out here.
Oh yeah, we're out here probably every day.
At any given moment, they could be called out to help someone in need, so they have to be flexible when it comes to meal times. Tasting it, I like this. We're testing along the way, and?
And? Thumbs up.
What does it need more of? Be honest.
All right, big thumbs up. What's in it?
Avocados. Try to pick the perfectly ripe ones.
It looks beautiful.
Then we did some onion.
All right.
Limes. Tomatoes.
Yep.
And then I just did some salt and granulated garlic.
All right, yum. That looks like some tasty guacamole. Yeah. There are many cooks in the kitchen, but that just helps things go faster. So you needed a taste tester?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, I'll do it.
Okay, go ahead.
Thank you. With Juanita's.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I came at the right time.
Exactly.
Yum. Ooh, it's warm.
Heat check.
It's beginning to be spicy.
Okay, good.
It's not too spicy though.
All right, perfect.
That's bomb, that lime in there.
Nice, good.
Bravo. Knowing how to cook is certainly not a requirement to be a firefighter, but they do all work as a team to make sure food is on the table.
Honestly, I think I started cooking more when I started hunting, and I wanted to make my game meat taste good. So that's kind of when that cooking passion really started for me.
Sure.
And then, just adding all these cool ingredients, and I started watching shows about cooking. And so yeah, that's kind of how it started. And then working at a fire station with 8 people, we're cooking every day. So incorporating that into it is fun.
They're shopping with their peers in mind based on their budget and contributions. The way they pay for meals comes out of their own pockets. I think that that's interesting that you're not necessarily using City of Bend dollars to buy your food and stock your firehouses.
Yeah, so when we go to the grocery store, we'll have one person pay with their debit or credit card.
They're paying out of their personal money and they're not getting reimbursed by the city.
That's right.
All the bulk foods that we have, flour, sugar, spices, milk, eggs, those come out of our monthly union dues.
When they're on shift, they're a family, cooking meals together, working alongside one another, and sharing the firehouse as a whole.
This is very much how we operate on calls too. So it's who's ever in charge, whether it's a medical call or whatever we respond to, clear assignment of duties. And it also applies in the kitchen too. So we all kind of got each other's back.
Oh, I like that. At the firehouse, when it's mealtime, they gather around the table to enjoy each other's company while they get a break. What's that like for your dynamic outside of work? Have you done it long enough to where it's pretty dialed and your family kind of knows what's up, or is that hard to get used to?
I've got 2 daughters. One's 13, one's 10. Okay. So they are definitely accustomed to the routine. You just have that really quality time for our days off.
Yeah.
So nice. I think they both really enjoy being daughters of a firefighter.
To donate to the Bend Fire Department's Community Assistance Fund, you can find them online or it's in the link on this story on our website. For another edition of Taste This, I'm Emily Kirk.